There's a voice that I can hear sometime out here on the mountain when it's dark and the sky's pouring acid like a fountain, and the memories like coal dust stain the window of my house. So ask them no questions, they can't sell you no more lies. I hear voices all around me in society's depression. Over and over they recite their first impression, and the rivers all cry as the ocean cannot speak till waters crash into uncharted shore, so dark and bleak. How I wish somebody'd make the voices go away